सो जाते जाते रास्ते में एक शॉप है, उसका नाम है कैंडी क्रश। लास्ट नाइट भी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे आइसक्रीम खाई थी, और जो आइसक्रीम था वो हमने कल ट्राई किया था, पान फ्लेवर, रम एंड रेजिन फ्लेवर, बबलगम फ्लेवर एंड वन मोर कुकी क्रीम फ्लेवर। ठीक है, तो आज हम सोच रहे हैं कि हमने गड़बड़ आइसक्रीम जो खाई थी, वैसे देखो गड़बड़ आइसक्रीम जो है मैंगलोर की फेमस है, हमने एक बार वहाँ खाया वुडलैंड में। अभी हम यहाँ पे कल की आइसक्रीम हमें अच्छी लगी, तो मैं सोचा कि यहाँ पे भी गड़बड़ आइसक्रीम ट्राई करके देख लेते हैं। सो मैंने तो खा लिया, बहुत पाई जाएगी अंदर।
सो यू कैन सी दिस इज़ कैंडी क्रश, एंड हमें कल रात को एज यू सुमित टोल्ड आइसक्रीम हमें बहुत अच्छी लगी, तो हम यहाँ पे आए हैं और थोड़ी आइसक्रीम खाएंगे। हेलो
Payal, she had come yesterday and she has tasted all the taste, and today again she has visited.
These are like really unique tastes which you get here.
Coffee walnut, cookie and cream. This is fennel seeds. This is choco almond. This is pan, Udupi. This is cinnamon flavor.
This is choco mint. This is gulab jamun ice cream. This is kiwi fruit. Roasted almond. This is guava with chili powder. This is Marlborough fresh strawberry. This is chocolate. This is pineapple. Dulce de leche. This is caramel. It is custard apple.
Okay.
This is blackcurrant.
These are our regular.
Butterscotch, pista, and this is chico almond.
Mhm.
This is tender coconut. We have got more than 45 flavors. I
Yes.
got rum and raisin also. It is very fast moving.
Yes, we had it yesterday, so
Yeah.
it is really awesome. I really love the bubblegum ice cream as well.
Yeah, bubblegum.
Ginger ice cream, yes, that is
We have
also
got
very
ginger.
tasty.
We have got black sesame.
Yes.
Black sesame ice cream also. So you ask any flavor, we are here
Yes.
to serve you. I'm just giving you one new. It's my own creation. It's called burger ice cream.
We are really excited for this new creation of sirs, so which is a burger ice cream, and then we'll surely try the Gadbad ice cream. So this is Prashant sir's special. This is a burger ice cream. I have never seen anything like this. This looks so delicious, so amazing. It's all, so it is outside it is bun, and inside it is combination of various ice creams, colorful toppings, cherries, and I'm just so eager to try it before it melts.
Burger ice cream. Cheers to first of many. Wow. It's like ice cream patty in between of the burger.
And it is so damn tasty.
Yeah. This is tasty. Very tasty.
My name is Martin.
And you? They are regular customers of Candy Crush, so we'll just know since when they are coming here and what all flavors they like.
It comes weekly, twice or thrice like that.
Okay, and you sir?
Same thing.
Same thing. And what are your favorite flavors?
We usually try new flavors here. They are keeping new flavors trying every day.
Okay, so they keep changing the flavors as well.
We like to taste new flavors.
Some new flavors are there making.
How is the Gadbad ice cream here? It's good. Like what makes this place different than the other ice cream places in Udupi?
Like flavors only. They have many flavors. And the ice cream shops won't offer.
Yes. What are you ordering today?
I'm just ordering one new flavor, like rum flavor or something. So I'll
Okay.
order that.
And you sir?
Chiku flavors.
Chiku flavor. Nice, nice. Enjoy your ice cream. Yeah.
I was able to get a natural flavored Gadbad ice cream. Thank you, sir. And let's try. It might be me only. So trying to figure out what is the speciality of Gadbad ice cream is. I might be wrong, but indeed it is delicious. That's what.
So yes, as Sumit says, Gadbad is, the taste is really confusing because in just a bite you get a flavor of a fruit, dry fruits, the ice cream base, the sprinkles, toppings. बस ये मतलब ऐसे ही समझ लो कि पूरा गड़बड़ ही है.
Started 4 months back.
How is the response?
Yeah, response
here?
is very good. We have got more than 45 flavors in this natural flavors. Some of the flavors are very unique. You don't get anywhere in my town.
Yes.
So people come in search of this flavor. I had a passion for ice cream parlor.
Yes.
So I'm having some other business, but due to this passion, I came to this line.
Great.
So I'm just a small child in this now. I have to develop.
That's it for our this food vlog guys. होप कि आपको हमारा ये इम्प्रॉम्प्टू फूड व्लॉग पसंद आया होगा. अगर आप मणिपाल रोड पे मणिपाल की तरफ जा रहे हैं या उडुपी तरफ आ रहे हो तो प्लीज़ डू गिव अ विजिट टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल आइसक्रीम पार्लर विच इज़ नोन एज कैंडी क्रश एंड डू ट्राई बर्गर आइसक्रीम. उनके पास में ये रेडीली अवेलेबल नहीं होता है बट इफ़ यू आस्क द ओनर दे विल प्रिपेयर फॉर यू देन एंड देयर. टिल देन कीप पंचिंग, कीप ट्रैवलिंग.